ChatGPT feels magical, but it's not magic. Let's see what's really happening. First surprise, ChatGPT does not think, feel, or understand like humans. ChatGPT works by predicting the next word again and again. Think of it as a very powerful autocomplete, trained on massive data. To understand this, let's break ChatGPT into simple steps. ChatGPT is trained on huge amounts of text from the internet. It learns from books, articles, and publicly available websites. It does not remember personal data or know private information. It learns language patterns, not verified facts. To a computer, words are converted into numbers. These word pieces are called tokens. ChatGPT sees millions of examples during training. At its core, ChatGPT is a neural network. It's inspired by the human brain, but far simpler. It has many layers that process language step by step. These layers find relationships between words. ChatGPT looks at context, not just single words. It predicts the best next word, and this helps it respond better in longer conversations. Feedback from people helps ChatGPT refine its predictions. It always chooses the most likely next word. When you type a prompt, ChatGPT breaks it into tokens. It tries to understand what you want based on patterns. It does not search the internet live. It uses what it learned during training. Responses are generated one word at a time. Every word changes what comes next. It feels instant, but it's step by step internally. That's how you get a full answer. ChatGPT can confidently give wrong answers. It doesn't truly understand meaning. It doesn't have feelings or opinions. It can reflect bias from training data. Human judgment is still essential. Think of ChatGPT as a tool, not a truth machine. Prompts are very important. Clear prompts give better results. More context helps ChatGPT respond accurately. Follow-up questions improve answers. The best results come from human and AI together. AI doesn't replace skills, it amplifies them. Now you know how ChatGPT actually works. If you like the video, please don't forget to like and comment, and also please subscribe to the channel Tech by Sketch. Thank you.